YouTube! Right now we're sitting in the car because we're taking a little trip. As you can see, we got all our bags right there in the back. Taking a little trip. It's only like, what, 3 days? It's only, yeah, 3 days. We're going to North Carolina. I think the game plan is we're going to go to the PANTHERS stadium, and then we're going to go to the Cheesecake Factory, and then we're going to go to Frankie's. So, how excited are you?
Very excited.
She's not excited. She's not. But yeah, it's going to take, because we live in South Carolina, so, but we live like way down south. So it's going to take us like almost 4 hours. Well, it's going to take me because I'm driving. She's just going to be sleeping and drooling. So it's going to take like 4 hours to get there. But we will see you guys on the way there. Get some food because we haven't eaten anything. So this is where we're at. We're at Sonic. Put this, you know, without the S. Like, we're at Sonic, so I don't know what we're about to get, but. Alright, so right now we're at the mall. We look a mess because we were traveling, and my what is, oh, that's an Apple store. My brother, he's the one that booked the hotel, so we can't really get in the hotel unless he's there. So we waiting on him, or he has to talk to some people. So we just came to the mall, walking around. It looks pretty nice. Two stories. The one that we don't even have them all where we live at. That's the sad part. Lucky Dog Sports. I never even heard of these stores. Yankee Candle. Oh, that's a big chess and checker, isn't it? You can play chess. Checkers. That's a nice mall though. Man, you guys, it is so bad out here. Look at this. We have to run in the rain. It is raining hard. I think it's cold. Look at her. It's so bad out here. It's so ugly. It's storming really bad. We're finally able to get into the hotel though, so we're about to head there. We just got the mall, so we see you guys later. Look at what we're driving through, y'all. This is crazy. Like, it's really bad out here. Like, it's ridiculous. Of course, when I talk about it, now it stops.
Girl.
It is really bad out here. There we go. It's like really windy. It's like a hurricane or something. And it's lightning and thundering really bad. It's foggy. Alright, so we made it to the hotel finally. And it's like super bad out here. We were gonna try and go to the Cheesecake Factory today, but it's not looking like it's gonna happen. So we might, hopefully we can do it tomorrow. We don't know how it's gonna look tomorrow. I have to check the weather on my phone. So hopefully we can do it tomorrow, but yeah, I gotta crack that shit. It is really bad out here. I think you made God mad.
Me?
Yeah.
Why me?
He was a bad noodle. But it was crazy, man. Like, it's really out. Like, I don't know. It's just crazy. This is our room. Finally made it into the hotel. That's your boy fresh in the mirror, you know. Need to go to the gym. Looking homeless, but you know, it's all good. This is our little small bathroom. A little shower. Let me back up a little bit to show you how small it is. So there's no door, so if you're taking a mean doodle, you ain't got no door. Now I'm just playing the door. I think the door's right here, like you. Let me see how you do this. Yeah, you slide it. Slide it out like that. That's pretty dope. But yeah, you got the little shower right there. And that's this. This is our room right here.
Hello, motherfucker.
Really?
Let me just show you all the aftermath of what we was driving through. See that all on the ground, all them leaves? It was like, it was really bad. That's what we had to drive through. We had a hurricane.
Jesus Christ.
But it calmed down now, so we was at the hotel and we came out and we're gonna head to the Cheesecake Factory, so yeah, it was terrible earlier. Alright, so we just got here. Cheesecake Factory, that's it right here. As you can see, obviously. It sucks driving in a new area, especially when it's dark, because I don't know where to go. But I somehow found it, so it's a whole different vibe though. It looks nice. Got a water fountain right there with the lights. Pretty nice though. What do you think about it?
I like it.
You like it?
Nice. Look at the bottom.
Yeah, no, it's dope. Yeah, it's nice though. Huh? Cheesecake Factory. Holy moly donut shop. They're right here. Just grab that. We're just not leaving. Oh man, we're just not leaving the Cheesecake Factory. And I'm trying to tell y'all, man, I highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. It was so good. And the cheesecake, oh, the cheesecake was worth it.
You want to go see the water fountain?
Yeah. Yeah, the cheesecake was worth it. It was so good. Like I said, yeah, if y'all get the chance, y'all gotta try it out, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's dark out, so you can barely see me because I'm black. So, but yeah, we went to Red Lobster, right, for Valentine's Day, and we spent a ton of money, and it was nasty. Like, it was not worth it at all. But like I said, we went to the we just got back from the Cheesecake Factory, and it was worth it. So if y'all get a chance, go ahead and try it out.
My head look huge.
Cause you got a big head. You guys, we are exhausted. We're about to knock out. So, without further ado, like, I'm about to freaking. I don't know what I'm talking about. We're gonna end this video right here. I am tired. I can't even talk. But yeah, we're gonna end the video right here. This is part one. This is just part one of our little vacation. So make sure y'all stay tuned for part two. I already kind of told y'all what we're gonna do, so I can't say just stay tuned and it's gonna be a surprise. But so if you don't remember, then it's gonna be a surprise. But just stay tuned for part two. So we're staying for 3 days. But on the third day, I don't know if we're really gonna do much because we have to drive back to South Carolina, and that's like a 4-hour drive. So we're gonna just.
I look dead.
Yeah, we had a long day.
That's like a terrible angle.
Get your whole head in there. You're trying to cut your big head out.
Really?
Let me get up. Why am I sitting like this? Oh, jeez. All right, so yeah. So we had a very long day. We're both tired. We're about to knock out. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, comment whatever. If you want, comment the best travel experience you have. Like, what state did you like really enjoy, and like the activities and the scenery or whatever. But because right now, like, I'm enjoying North Carolina. It's like a whole different vibe. So
Yeah.
like they got the city vibe, and it's like very nice over here. So, but make sure y'all stay tuned for part two, and we will see you guys tomorrow.